In this video we will particularly talk about this feature, which is like YouTube Studio. It is very helpful feature to track your views, likes, comments, subscriptions, how many people subscribe your channel. To click on this view there, you have to just open your that account, then you have to go to your channel, go to the YouTube. After that, select your channel, then you can go to the YouTube Studio. Where you can see your last video activity, your subscribers, how many views you get, and some of the information. YouTube Studio, there is an application of YouTube Studio also, so I will mention the link of that application in the description box, so you can download it directly from the Play Store, where you can see your dashboard, your subscriber and all that it will show you. Then there will be your videos, then the playlist which you have made. For the playlist, it will take you for the another desktop page where you can see your playlist. Here it is showing me that how many videos I have. Like in daily I have 3 videos, reviews I have 10 videos, information I have 6 videos, and investment I will post video on this playlist after some time. And there is analytics which will show you about your channel activity and all that. Thanks for watching. It is basically a helpful guide for the new YouTubers who are starting their YouTube channel, and they can see that how they can track their YouTube history and how to activate the channel. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. After some time there will be proper videos.